I've just been up there in our office working hard all day long, and it's a Saturday. So if I'm working all day Saturday, I feel like I deserve a treat. My treat tonight is gonna be pizza. As always, let us know what you think of this video in the comments down below. We love hearing from you and answering all your comments. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Now this pizza is gonna be real tasty because I'm gonna try cooking it with wood. We've got a pizza oven, we've never tested it out with wood. So this is gonna be wood-fired pizza. And we're also gonna cook one in our regular oven and see the difference. So if you're interested in getting a pizza oven and you wanna see, you know, how do they compare, then watch this video. First things first, gotta get myself home. First, I gotta find some ingredients. Flour, dried yeast, passata, vegan cheese, veggie sausages. Yes, it's night time and my pizza oven wasn't ready, so I've been up and down the stairs so many times trying to get this thing ready. That is already a win for the oven, because the pizza oven, if it ain't already ready, it's not that convenient. Beautiful looking fire. Right now I'm just hanging out on our roof waiting for the fire to warm up and then reduce and be ready for pizza. It's quite a nice moment to enjoy the view from our rooftop. Covered in flour, as always happens. I think there's a rule that you shouldn't wear black while making pizza, but I broke that rule. This is the dough recipe, which is in both BOSH and Bish Bash Bosh. So super easy dough recipe. Really easy to make your own, it just takes a little bit of time. Now I'm rolling out this pizza dough on a nice floured surface, just to get the kind of shape I'm after. We're keeping it super basic, haven't done anything fancy with this one. So we're just using passata as the tomato base. And just kind of make a spiral out from the inside. Don't want to overdo this tomato because you'll get a soggy pizza. Forgot to put it on the pizza paddle, but it's all good, I managed to pull it on. Right, so I've got some veggie sausages which I have pre-cooked on here. I'm using a kind of white vegan cheese that looks a bit like mozzarella to give us some nice dollops. It's quite hard to find a melty vegan cheese, so one that looks like it's melted is the second best option in this case. It tastes good though. Kind of mozzarella-y swirls there. Now I have some fresh tomatoes just to give a little bit of freshness, add to that lovely sweetness. Anything that you've got in the fridge will go great here. Chilies are great, chili peppers, red peppers, green peppers, and I'm gonna do a sprinkle of grated cheese. It's probably not gonna melt because it's vegan. And then some fresh herbs. This is definitely a lazy pizza. This would not make it into the BOSH book, but it's good for a weeknight. And there we go. Now you wanna check that you've got, check that you've got slidability. Okay, perfect. So that now, with the floured base, I know this is gonna slide off. Now in the oven, I've got this oven at 275 degrees. That's a really hot oven. Most ovens won't go to 275, but ours does. Also in the oven, I have a pizza stone. So have a look in there. So you can see a pizza stone. That's gonna be really, really hot. That pizza stone is really hot. It's gonna help replicate a pizza oven in the absence of a pizza oven. Now, here we go, straight in, decisively off and close. Keep that heat in the oven. Woo. How's it looking? Oh, look at that, looks great! That is looking lovely. And here we have a pizza ready to go on. Here's pizza attempt number 1 in the outside pizza oven. Smells smoky. Proper rustic. I've got going. Wait. There we go. That is a lovely, look at the browning. That is looking good. Crispy, just a little bit crispy, but also still floppy. Tomatoes looking good. We've got herbs, veggie sausages, and vegan cheese. Completely vegan pizza cooked in a pizza oven. This is the pizza oven pizza. It's been cooked at like 500 degrees. They're supposed to be like about 450, 500 degrees C. Super, super hot. Taste test. That is a good pizza. You know, you can see the dough is nice and soft. A little bit charred, which is what we're going for. It's got that kind of woody, smoky taste. I feel like I'm in Italy right now. Very happy with the pizza oven, but it was a lot of work. This is the second pizza, which was done in our home oven, but a hot home oven that goes to 275. We also used a pizza stone, so that's going to have like kept a lot of heat in the base of the pizza and helped to really, you know, cook it through. But you can see the dough, you know, the dough's, it's a bit more crispy. It's not as soft as this one. The pizza oven pizza cooked in a minute. Really hot, 500 degree oven. It cooked quickly, and that means the dough is just cooked all the way through, but without going crispy on the outside. This one is the one from the oven at 275 degrees, and it's not quite as nicely cooked, the dough, but yet it's a bit crispy. But you can tell the difference. Let's taste the one from our kitchen oven. Yeah, I mean, it tastes a little bit less proper. You've got less flavour in the dough. It doesn't have that smoky wood flavour. This one just smells a bit like fire, whereas this just smells a bit like dough. So this has got that smoky smell. You can literally tell the difference between the two.
It smells like a proper Italian pizza.
Cheers in Italian.
Cheers in Italian.
Obviously the smoky one is my favourite.
Yeah, me too.
There you have it. That was our taste test of proper pizza oven with fire in it versus hot oven in your kitchen. Obviously the one with fire is better because you get that kind of wood smoky taste, and it cooks in like a minute or two, which is just nicer for the dough. This one is a bit more bland. However, both work, and the thing to bear in mind is it was a right faff for me to set up the pizza oven upstairs, especially on an evening. I had to go up, get some wood, set it burning, yada yada yada. You can do it with gas. Those pizza burners do gas, but then you don't get the wood smoke flavour, so you're kind of losing out there too. Regardless, it's definitely worth getting a pizza oven if you really like these things. You can have a party, you can have a load of fun. It's a good thing to do in summer, but it's a lot of faff, and a hot oven will do just as well. That's it for today's vlog. We hope you've really enjoyed this. It's been fun for us and a bit of a learning experience, and hopefully we're improving our pizza skills as we go. The dough recipe is in the BOSH book and in Bish Bash Bosh if you want to give that a go. And yeah, let us know what you thought of this in the comments down below. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Tell us we're rubbish if you like doing that. Some people do. And we can't wait to see you tomorrow. Bish Bash Bosh!